Hey guys, we received this USB-C to dual HDMI adapter. It's a 4-in-1 USB from company Fop Homo, and we received this for test and try. This is actually a USB-C hub to HDMI with two HDMI, dual 4K HDMI, 100 watt PD charging, and a USB-A and USB-C thing. So it's like a hub. So let me just open this up. So you can see there are two HDMI here and one USB-C and one USB. So basically, you can use it with say any laptop with the USB-C, where you can go for the dual monitor here, and then also use it a USB-C and the USB for other devices. So say you can use a flash drive, you can use any other thing. So say I put it in the laptop, I use two HDMI here, and I use a USB for the speaker, and then I use it in my laptop with a USB-C dock here. So basically, this is working really fine, and you can see the monitors are coming here. So I have only like one monitor, but the other HDMI for the other purpose. But you can still see that it really goes up to that mark, and this is a 4K monitor. So a nice, helpful USB-C hub for your laptops.